these might look like regular seedlings to you, and in a way they are, but these are miniature varieties of full-size plants. So this is like a mini cucumber called Quick Snack. It should get between about 20 to 24 inches, so 1.5 to 2 feet tall. This is a jalapeno plant. It should get really compact as well. This is a mini sweet pepper. I selected the orange variety. And I have here 3 different types of tomatoes. This is a pillar catch. It's orange. This one's going to be a little bit taller than these other two, maybe about 2 feet tall. Then we had red velvet. This one's so tiny. This one's going to be maybe like 6 inches tall, 12 inches tall. Then we have, I think, Heartbreaker's Dora. It's supposed to be the shape of a heart, each tomato. Doesn't look exactly like it, very similar, but I thought it would be a cute one to grow. It's a red one. It's also compact, about 1.5 to 2 feet tall. But obviously there's a lot of variables with this, but I'll let you guys know how everything goes. These are mostly going to be in my green stock, but then I'm also going to have a few on my raised bed here in the patio just to see how they grow. All right, here's the journey.